Can I ask you something? Have you ever looked in the mirror and suddenly felt, when did this happen? Because that's exactly how I felt. I don't know when it started. It wasn't overnight. One morning, I was getting ready for work, just like every other day. I washed my face, applied my moisturizer, looked in the mirror, and I just stood there for a few seconds. My skin looked so tired, not dirty, not unhealthy, just lifeless. And the strangest part, nobody else noticed. It was just me. Every morning, I would look in the mirror, hoping maybe it was just the lighting, maybe I hadn't slept well, maybe I was imagining it. But deep down, I knew something had changed. Then started the endless search. This moisturizer has amazing reviews. The serum gives instant glow. This face pack works in one use. I tried so many things, and every time I bought something new, I would tell myself, this one will finally work. But after a few days, I would be standing in front of the mirror again, feeling exactly the same. You know what I think hurt the most? It wasn't that my skin looked dull, it was the feeling that I had slowly stopped taking care of myself. Somewhere between work, family, home, responsibilities, I had become the last person on my priority list. I honestly couldn't remember the last time I did something just for myself. Some nights I was too tired to even remove my sunscreen properly. Some mornings I left home without applying it at all. Water I would remember only when I was already thirsty. Breakfast, sometimes just tea. And then I would wonder why my skin looked so tired. One day I just stopped. I stopped looking for miracle products. I stopped comparing my skin to women half my age. And I told myself, let's just start taking care of ourselves again. Not perfectly, just consistently. So I made a few small changes. Nothing expensive, nothing complicated. I started using a gentle face wash. I moisturized every single day, even when I was tired. I tried not to skip sunscreen. I kept a water bottle near me because otherwise I would forget to drink. I tried eating a little better whenever I could. Not because I wanted the perfect skin, but because maybe my body had been asking for care all this time. Did my skin become flawless? No. There are still mornings when I look in the mirror and think, today isn't my best skin day. And that's okay, because now when I look in the mirror, I don't just see dull skin. I see a woman who's learning to be a little kinder to herself. And honestly, that feels much more beautiful. If you're watching this and you're over 40, I want to ask you something. Have you ever looked in the mirror and quietly wondered, what happened to my glow? If your answer is yes, please tell me in the comments. I would really love to know I'm not the only one. And if you're a woman who learns to embrace life after 40, one small step at a time, I hope you'll join me in this journey. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, after 40, we are not trying to look 20. We are learning how to take better care of ourselves.